Hello students, I, Saurav Avasthi, faculty of Mount Literacy School have brought a new video for you that is based on The Road Not Taken, that is the poem of Beehive of your syllabus. Here in this poem, we are going to read about the central idea of the poem, theme of the poem, and then stanza-wise explanation followed by extract-based question answers. So today in this video we will discuss about only central idea of the poem and the theme of the poem, and the further part will be completed in the next video. Okay, so let's start with the central idea of the poem. Here this poem is about the struggle while making decisions in life. There are two paths to follow, the one on which everyone walks and the other that is opposite of the crowd. The person in the poem has to decide whether to follow the crowd or to take the other road and make his own path in life. He has his own personality. He refuses to do ordinary things just because everyone else does them. In the end, he chooses the path that hasn't had many travelers. He knows that it will be better for him, but he also acknowledges that he can never know what would have happened to him if he had chosen the other path. So students, this was the central idea of the poem The Road Not Taken, written by Robert Frost. And now we will discuss about the theme of the poem, where I am going to explain that why this poem has been written and what the poet means in this poem. In this poem, actually what happened, one day the speaker, when he was traveling all alone, he reaches to a particular point where the road was divided into two paths. Now, the speaker was confused that which path should be taken now. So, he thought that he should continue his journey. He was unable to decide which road was to be followed now. So, what he actually did, he paused for a long time. He gave a careful thought to which path he should follow. Then, after a long time, he just decided to choose the road which was traveled less. So, he thought that he is going to make a big difference in his future. He decided to save the other road for another day, as he was thinking that once again he will return back and then he will try the same another time. But he knows that he will never get a chance to go back. He takes such a difficult decision. Later, he wishes that he would also try the other path. So like this, the poet presents the difficulty of making a choice in life. We cannot travel on all the paths available to us. We have to make a choice. The uncertainty faced by the speaker in making his choice is the uncertainty that we all face at some point in our life. So, we all have to make a choice. Only the future will reveal whether the choice made by us is right or wrong. But one can't go back or change the choice. Choices and decisions are like our steps that carry us forward. Dear students, this is all about the choice which we used to make in our life. So we have to be very careful while making any choice of our future in our life. Okay, so now this was the theme of the poem. Now I have given few extract based questions for you which you can practice. Here you can see the answers are also given along with the question, so that you may feel very easy to learn them. You can see these extracts clearly In the beginning of the video, all the passages are given over there, and try to learn all these answers, which will help you in your coming examination and will help you to score good marks. So, and the further part will be completed in the next video, where I will explain you about the stanzas, and I will give you the explanation as well as the meanings, and also short answer type questions followed by long answer type questions. Thank you so much. Till then, read the central idea and the theme of the poem and try to understand it and learn all these question answers and try to write them in a copy. So now we will meet again in the new video with the further part of the poem. Till then, stay at home, be safe and be healthy. Thank you so much.